Yeah, namaste. Thank you. Thank you very much to all committee members and whole team of agriculture information. Thank you for giving opportunity to explain how to start organic farming and how to do agriculture consultancy in natural and organic way.
It's about mango and cashew today.
Right, right, right.
Yeah.
If we look about cash crops, so we find out so many fruits, vegetables, and other cereals which are cash crops right now in India. But the perennial cash crops in horticulture, you will see the fruit crops is the best and ideal cash crops for long-term projects. From other fruit crops in India, right now, I am living in Konkan region. So in Konkan region, I can talk about mango and cashew. These are two cash crop for whole Konkan belt. From last 70 to 80 years, the farmer belongs to Konkan are used to these crops for farming and commercial purpose of fruit selling. Alfonso mango is a great high rated crop in this mango cash crop. And I will explain how to do mango and cashew farming in organic way, in natural way. First, to start with, we need to identify where we want to sell. We need to identify market first, where we want to sell. Because market is very much dependent on supply. Which supply? Fresh fruit, frozen fruit, uh, processed fruit, another types of any material regarding fruits. So if we think about fresh fruits, we need to think first for market. If we fix the market in terms of like a local market, community market, agriculture produce market, other friends and circle market, or any platform market like NGO, foundations, or any other private markets, private mandis, you can say. So if we have a opening in market for organic mango, so we will think where to do mango production because some part of Konkan there are so many hills and people are farmer are growing on hills because in mango field and mango fruit plants two types of mango plants one is preparing early in December and second type of mango is preparing in early of March. So the first plant which is preparing early in December, you can take harvest from fruit that plant in January or February. So when you are harvesting in January or February, the fruit will get a very good price. But second type of mango, when the fruit is ready to harvest, it's almost second week of April or first week of April. So that time the market goes down. Down it means the markets goes settle for specifically mango fruit. Now the concept is regular market is growing, whatever, getting ascending order, descending order, up downs. is available. But in organic market, there is uh, no chance to get up and downs for pricing or costing. If you think we are going to catch December season up to flowering in November, December, and the fruit will get around February. So in organic way, I think this is very much tough to create or harvest in February, because in natural way, the plant itself ready to produce or ready to produce flowers in January, December or January, because the natural season for mango is start with good winter season. Very good winter season will produce good quantity of flowers on mango plant. The good winter season comes with good rains. Good rains comes with the air, the water, and the soil, because whole complete five elements is dependent on each and every element. So the circle start from summer and its end in summer. Yearly, if we think, yearly, if we see, the the circle starts from summer and ends with summer. So in organic and natural way, we need to think what market we are acquiring or we are looking. If we have a market for a second type of mango, the organic farming will definitely answer or definitely produce for that market. After April, you can say you can harvest fruits from mango plants in April, if we are considering that we are doing natural or organic farming in mango. If we're doing other practices, we will definitely grow and harvest in January, February from mango plant. But in natural way, we need to think about natural condition of plant, environment, soil, and other things. So in natural way, if we are producing in natural way and organic way, we need to calculate market, first market, second availability of fruits, third where we are going to produce, the location, you can say the location, fourth is thing availability of labor or team management. In organic farming, we need to do some activity in very much punctual way. Like in my practice for mango farming, 8 months, almost 8 months after monsoon, we have almost 8 months for doing mango farming practices. So June and July, monsoon starts in June. July, the period of heavy monsoon rains. And the August, the monsoon get settled in his region, in Konkan region, you can say. When monsoon gets settled, the mango practices like a foliar practices, drenching practices will start from August. In organic farming, we need to start our mango plant treatment from August onwards. It is most difficult task because somewhere heavy rains in August, somewhere uh, water stagnations, somewhere is labor issue, somewhere it's uh, another very much issues. But the thing is, if we can touch the mark, we can target this. We will start from August, so we will definitely produce the organic way mango in February, maximum into March. Because the thing is, when mango will start producing flowers, like the pregnancy period of mango plant, it starts from August onwards. So we need to calculate the calendar for mango treatment. So my calculation is we need to start mango plant treatment from August onwards. If weather wise, if not possible from August, but at least in September, we need to start initial preventive spraying. Spray for preventive measures. Preventive for what preventions? Like fungicides preventive spray, natural organic pesticides preventive spray. So we will talk in detail how this spray will do, how we can prepare this spray in our farm, in our area. It is not so much heavy or so much tough task, but we will definitely start if we are ready to do, eagerly to do, or organic way or natural way. Mango farming, mango market, mango produce is right now is very much important for people because mango is coming in once in a year. So it's a seasonal fruit. So it's a seasonal fruit. That's why the people are ready to buy from high side. If if the produce comes in February, people are ready to buy. If produce in comes in April, people are ready to buy. Almost June, July also people are ready to buy mango. But which mango? The variety of mango is very much different. In natural way, in organic way, if we are going to produce in natural and organic way, we have only 2 months to produce, sell, and market. That's April and May. Why these 2 months? Because these 2 months we can get very good quality of produce mango fruits from naturally or organically treat mango plant. The right season is to harvest is in April. So we need to find the same market which market will buy from us in these 2 months, specifically in these 2 months. And the mango fruit is also got a proper taste in this heavy summer. Fruit ripening conditions is also good because the weather is also good. So again come to the practices. I can say mango plant treatment will start from August. If we cannot start from August because of the weather condition, we have to start from September. What we can start? We can start very much easily if we do plantation on hill. If we do plantation on hill, it is very much easy to plant. Uh, it is very much easy to plant on hill because of on hill the whole day for sunlight is available. Sunlight is available for whole day for any plant because we can design the plant population. We can design the farm exactly. Okay, what type of diagram, what type of plantation, what on grid we can do plantation. It's up to the location. If we have a south opening land, like the land is available on north side and its south side is almost open, so the plant get whole day light sunlight, and if the plant get whole day light it will produce, and the plant will be a healthy plant for a year because he will get a proper photosynthesis period, proper light sunlight to prevent himself from pest and diseases, and also he will get good produce because the light and air he has is in good condition. This is the example, but not necessary this will happen in every mango farm. I'm just giving example. But we can start mango plantation from June onwards. Definitely, the university has given the protocol when to plant, what distance to do, in what distance, what will be the grid, which variety you need to plant as per your area. So, the local universities in all over India are doing very much good work in mango farming, cashew farming also. Right now, I'm explaining mango farming, then I will explain cashew farming also. In mango farm, we can do if we do plantation on June onwards, after 3 years, we can do or we can expect like fourth year onwards, we can expect fruit from the plant. If we do high dense plantation, ultra high density plantation, regular grid plantation, so there is more categories in plantation types. But we look in practices, we have to think that we need to plant on June, then we start treatment from August. First treatment we need to start from, like we have so many termites in the field, termite houses. So we have a ready-made a fertile soil because termites are doing the one main thing in soil. They are digging good soil and they are giving the good soil on upper side of the layer. So we want the termite soil for to broadcast. Also, we can do one preparation in mango farm. That first treatment, like if we have not available termite soil, we can do one thing. Raw salt is available very much in very much plenty amount, in very much quantity in all over India. We can spread raw salt on our open field. If we have plantation, we can also throw or broadcast raw salt. If we do not have plantation, also we can do the same thing because the salt is very much important for soil. Because salt is like the salt role is very much a clear role because salt is going down, 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 going deep to the from air. He sucks some energies, he takes some energies and dilute in soil. So he is a mediator for us. Salt is a mediator for us because salt will treat soil very much easily. So every 15 days, we need to broadcast raw salt on our soil. If we have, there are some calculation with me. What calculation we can do, on what basis we can do. If we are not going to involve or we are not going to take salt, we have easily available, but right now it is difficult. But in 2 decades back, we have plenty of ash, homemade ash. Homemade ash also very much important. We can broadcast homemade ash also on open land. At the time of plantation also we can do. After plantation also we can do. Every 15 days we can broadcast that. If we do not have salt, if we do not have termite soil, if we do not have ash with us, if we have a farmyard manure or like a natural compost or a organic compost, if we have, so we need to broadcast every 15 days the compost on soil. Compost will, what compost will do? Compost will maximize the bacteria content on soil and it will help to soil to, for enriching his nutrients. If the soil enriched with nutrients, you will get best fruits on plants. So this is the basic treatment we need to start from September or August onwards. These practices you can do in any type of fruit farming from June onwards or August onwards. As per our location, we can think when in our location when the monsoon rains is get very high or very heavy. So avoid the heavy rain season. After that, we can start this application for organic farming practices. After that, we need to practice this every 15 days. We need to broadcast this content, this compost every 15 days. Compost you can manufacture or at your own farm. That very much easy. The bacteria is so bacteria culture is available every single kisan center, every university, every agriculture store. They have bacteria culture like we all know Jivamrut and all other bacteria cultures. So the one buttermilk is also homemade bacteria culture. We have buttermilk also. So we can use buttermilk for composting. We can use ficus tree soil. We can use as a director leaves like neem leaves for getting good culture. Also, we can use cow urine for a good culture as a good culture. So we can do, or we can prepare, or we can buy the good quality compost for broadcasting. The quantity is very less. Its quantity is around 15 kg per acre. 15 kg per acre. It's require only 15 kg per acre because we are focusing only to maximize microbes or bacteria which is available in soil or which will be available in soil. So there is a only focus. There is not involved in what you are getting with plant. If you are doing plantation, so for plantation purpose, you need some extra fertilizer, some extra compost. Definitely, as per university doses, as per expert doses, you have to follow the protocol. But on soil basis, on open soil basis, to enrich soil content, this practice will definitely help you, or you can use this. So after doing this treatment every 15 days, we can start foliar spray, foliar spray or mango plants which are ready to produce for us. We are because from September the rain will a little rain will get uh, break or rain will start giving interval for our practices. So if we get interval for 2 3 days, we can do spraying. What spray contents we have to do? So the best fungicide for spray, or we have turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is a very good fungicide which is available in our total area. So we can use fungicide as a turmeric powder as a fungicide for spraying. We need to spray every 15 days. Every 15 days, why every 15 days? The shelf life or practices life of this content, which is naturally grown or organically grown, the content will expire or the content will need to energize after every 15 days because the whole organic farming is based on natural contents, natural things, 5 elements. So these are all practices in throughout the year. So we have a main in syllabus. We have a main content that sunlight gives food for plants, and the moonlight help to plant for growing. So in moonlight, plant will grow, plant are growing, and in sunlight, plant are producing food. So simple, this technique will implement in natural farming and organic farming. So we need to practice every 15 days for spraying fungicide. Example, turmeric powder. So many natural fungicides are there. Bacterial help also are there, like Rhizobium, Azotobacter, Pseudomonas. These are also will helpful for spray definitely. I'm just telling cost effective and which is available on farm, on our kitchen, on in kitchen. So it will reduces our task, it will reduces our time, it will reduces our cost. So that's why I'm suggesting and I'm telling ki, saving is earning. So we need to save whatever we can save. So turmeric powder we can spray, raw salt we can spray. And third thing is lemon juice. So we can spray lemon juice. Lemon juice is very much important in flowering condition. When mango or cashew fruits start for our flowering, we need to spray on that lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice we can spray on flowering conditions. If we do spray on flowering condition, the results are very good because natural content in lemon juice is very high rated available. So we can use this. So also we need because lemon juice is a tonic base, is a tonic for flowers, mango flowers or cashew flowers. Fungicide is like turmeric powder is a fungicide. Neem powder is a fungicide. Insecticide also. Ash is also can use ash, raw ash. Ash is also we can use. Also, cow dung ashes can use. Cow urine is a good pesticide. Neem oil is a good pesticide. The technical content in other direction people know very well about technical. I am not going into technical. I am just explaining the basic practices in this. But the thing is, if we want to produce mango and cashew naturally or organically, we need to start from soil first, not to start from leaf, stem, bark, flower, or direct fruit. We need to start our practices from soil onwards because soil is the main thing. Because we are all farmers as are patient farmers. We need to maintain our patience to produce, to get flowers, to get market. So soil is our media because we are all farmers are media based farmers. We cannot shift into soilless media. There is another subject. Soilless media is very much interesting subject definitely, but it's different subject. We are talking about now natural farming and mango and cashew. So for mango and cashew, we need to start from soil because soil will get and will help fruit plants to survive, to produce, to get the best nutrient and to uh, available the and to balance the biodiversity also because the plant life almost mango plant life is almost 30 to 40 years. It's a production plant life, productive plant life. Cashew plant life is also the same, almost 40 years. And if we go to if the plant are not grafted, so the life is very much around very much high side. It's almost 70 years, 100 years. Uh, few farmers have 100 years back plants, 70 years, 50 years, 80 years cashew plant, mango plants they have, and they develop their own variety from that plant. Because obviously, after 50 years, the plant will produce or generate some special flavors or some special taste. So it will definitely develop new varieties also. So there is a technical part, but in natural way, in organic way, we can easily produce this mango because there is no any tough task. But if we think that from last year or last to last year, we are doing chemical farming or we are doing regular practices farming or we are engaged into residue farming, and now we are ready to switch to natural or organic farming. So definitely we have we have to maintain some patience because Natural and organic farming, these are practices, is like practices the way nature want to do, not the way we want to do. We want to do or we have to do. So the main difference is natural farming or organic farming. The plant wants to produce, then plant only produce. We cannot do or we cannot pressurize or uh, we cannot pressurize to plant to produce for ourselves. So it's need patience. We can think cashew farming. Cashew farming in cashew plants, the way cashew is very much reliable cash crop in Maharashtra, in Konkan region, or in almost part of India. So cashew is very steady crop, very easy to grow, very easy to take care because its take caring cost is very much lower side compared to mango. Also, it is harvesting is easy, but it's collection of cashew seeds. It's very tough because it's getting onto ground and we need to collect one to one. So it is a task. And second is the theft. Theft is tough part, but cashew is very steady crop. Cashew has available every year. You can get cashew fruits. The sustainability of farming will get in cashew definitely after 4 years. We will definitely get every year cashew produce. So, if you want to do sustainable farming, the cashew is the best and ideal crop for the sustainable farm. Or you can get a fixed seed from a fixed plantation like a cashew. The cashew is very sensitive crop because the season of cashew is little earlier from mango. So it starts from November, December, and it ends around March or April. It ends. Sometimes, if we get the rains in February, cashew start flowering again. So a few farmers get double cashews or second crop of cashews. Definitely, it's after 2 years, after 3 years, once in a 3 years, it is possible. But every year, cashew produces very well. Around well-grown tree, you can say well-grown tree, you can get very good quantity of cashew, like around minimum 6 kg you will get from one cashew plant, well-grown cashew plant. It's minimum 6 kg to maximum you can think on you can calculate on soil basis, water basis, and environment basis. It's around 12 kg, 14 kg, 17 kg, up to 17 kg. People are getting up to 17 kg. So the cashew needs uh, the basic care when the cashew start flowering, because at the time of when cashew start flowering, the time is to ripe or harvested paddy fields. So when paddy field gets empty or paddy get harvested, the insects travel around to find their food. So at that time, they find cashew trees because of before that in October onwards, is September October, cashew start producing fresh leaves. So cashew get fresh leaves. So insects also get fresh produce or fresh food for them. So we need to take care in these 2 to 3 months at the time of start flowering in October November, or you can say September October November. So how we can control this? So many major controls available for the basic things. But again, I can say we have to, if we are thinking for organic farming, we have to think about preventive measures. Prevention is better than cure. So we have to practice for preventive only. Curative in organic way, curative is uh, curative we can spray curative insecticide in organic way, in organic insecticide also. but the curative percentage is very low than preventive measures. So we need to focus on preventive applications. So what can we do in preventions? We
Mr.
can
Pradyumna,
clean. Yes, yes, please.
yeah, sorry to interrupt. It's already 5:45
Okay.
and we are running short of time. So
Yeah.
can we take up some questions and you
Sure.
can answer them in brief?
Okay.
Okay. So first question is, how do organic farming practices the impact the quality and taste of mangoes and cashews?
Right.
Uh,
Understood. Should I answer?
yeah, please.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, definitely. The way we are doing natural and organic farming, if we do organic farming, the taste of mango and the flavor of the mango fruit, it definitely get in a natural way, because we need Alfonso, example Kesar mango, example Dasheri, example Gulab Khas. So these are our names of mango fruit because of their taste or flavor. So we get exact flavor or exact taste from organic farming. Definitely.
Okay. Next question is, could you explain the specific climatic and soil requirements necessary for successful organic mango and cashew cultivation?
Yeah, that's a good question. Basically, in a syllabus way, I can explain in syllabus where the well-drained soil is most important for both the crops, and mango and cashew. If the soil is available with a red laterite soil or a red soil or a little stone available in soil, so it will get good produce in mango and cashew in both way. In arid regions, it's like the both plants are need at least a good amount of rain, good amount of natural rainfall. So if we are going to plant in other conditions, so the soil is the main media definitely, but the weather condition is also need to suitable. Like in dry regions, the mango will not get a good taste, but in humid regions, mango will get a good taste and flavor too. So if we are talking about soil, so a proper soil is red laterite or a hilly side, or definitely a well drained soil. It is very much useful or very much compulsory for both the crops.
Okay. And how can farmers ensure proper pest and disease management in organic mango and cashew orchards?
Please, madam, please come again.
I will repeat. Yeah. How can farmers ensure proper pest and disease management in organic mango and cashew orchards?
Okay. See that the main this is a question is also good question, but the thing is, if the fruit is there, pest also is available, disease also available. It's a natural circle. So it's in Sanskrit. We all know jivo jiva sa jivan. So it's entire food cycle. So if fruit is there, insect also will come, disease also will come. So we need to only control in organic and natural farming by only preventive measures. How we can prevent them to attack or to attract on our fruits? We can do like a trap cropping. If we have a mango or cashew farm, we can do a trap cropping, like we can plant maize or sweet corn on the border, or we can plant olive plantation, or we can plant on the south side of the farm neem, kadu neem, or we can plant floriculture like roses, marigold. So these are all comes into trap cropping. Mustard, almost all oil seeds are help in trap cropping. All oil seeds like groundnut, soybean, sunflower, sesame. So this will help to control this pest. But definitely we have natural and organic way to control and maintain pest and diseases from plant in way like bioculture, bioproduce, biological controls, trap cropping, also cow urine, cow dung, another home remedies will help to control and prevent the pest and diseases. But definitely, if we thinking or we are into path for natural way, so in natural way, the whole food circle will come into our farm, because if insect is coming in our farm, the bird will come to eat the insect. So this whole circle we have to maintain, because it's a biodiversity, and we have to prevent only. So if we do trap cropping, the insect and bird both will not attract on our fruit plants. They will attract in other crops, like crops like oilseed crops, like olives, like neem, like floriculture crops. So they will attract on that. They will not attack on our main fruit crops. That is my suggestion or my
Okay.
opinion.
Okay. And what organic fertilizers and composting techniques are recommended for promoting healthy mango and cashew tree growth?
Yes, definitely. Farmyard manure is the best compost, I can say. Farmyard manure, it's a, which is grown in our farm. So we have to only cut our farm grass and to do for composting. So culture is available everywhere to do bacteria culture is available for composting. And if we go into the market, so many companies are there which are doing genuinely, or which are saying selling genuinely best compost. So we have fertilizers available, compost available, but if we have farmyard manure, so our cost will reduce, our production cost will reduce, because we if we are planning to do natural and organic way farming and we need to produce from that way, so we need almost 30% more than the regular fertilizer, because we are going to manage the same content with organic way. So we need to add some contents or add some quantity for the on the basic fertilizer. Like if we are doing regular farming, regular practices in farming, so 100 kg, if example 100 kg required for a one plant or for 1 acre, so from organic or natural way we need to put or we need to add 30 kg more. 100 plus 30, it's almost 130 kg we need to do we need to broadcast, or we need to available for farm.
Okay. And how do organic farming techniques contribute to the conservation of natural resources in mango and cashew cultivation?
Definitely it will help 100% for natural resources, because if we cut the grass roots will develop more almost double. So they will stop soil erosion, they will maintain the biodiversity, they will maintain the insect control. Because if we are doing simple thing, if we are maintaining the one thing, like we are not killing them, so we are maintaining them, so definitely the whole biodiversity, whole nature will also maintain us. So definitely the organic and natural way will conserve a lot, and will the organic farming and natural farming practices are definitely helping to nature, definitely will help to nature.
Okay. And what measures should be taken to maintain the quality and purity of organic mangoes and cashews during harvesting and post-harvest processing?
Simple. Do definitely. This is a good question. We need to focus on this post harvest. Definitely, I am not. I have not explained this. What measures we have to taken in post harvest. Simple post harvest, we do not use any form of powder or any form of other foreign body or other particular things to ripe the fruit or to mature the fruit. So we need to focus when the natural fruit, naturally fruit get ripe or naturally fruit get ready to harvest. We need to harvest, and after post harvest, naturally way the fruit shelf life is almost a 1 week, maximum 1 week. So we need to calculate our market or where. That's why I'm telling the fix the market first, then go to the plantation. Or if we have a plantation already, then develop low market locally. So post harvest, the natural way is to use local grass, to use local shades, to use fodder, green fodder or dry fodder to prepare or to ripe the fruit. So in post harvest, we natural farming or organic farming not allowed to attach or like a click a gel or use a powder for ripening. Yes.
Okay. And what measures should be taken to maintain the quality? Okay, I guess you have answered this. One second.
Sure, sure.
So,
What quality is to
I
focus on soil first.
okay. Mm,
We are in organic and natural farming, the main content or the main role of soil only. If we take care of soil, soil will take care of all the things.
okay. And what certifications and regulations should organic mango and cashew farmers adhere to for marketing their produce?
Yes, definitely the certification are must, and we need to get certificate. If we have a certificate, we will get good cost, good price for our fruits. The one certificate is for providing by EcoCert, national agencies, government agencies also doing giving certificate, PGS form certificates. The three certificates are there. One is organic certification. Second is for export is phytosanitary, and second is it's you can say private certification. It's like soil health certification, plant health certification. So majorly we need to follow our government certification process for organic farming. So every district, in every district of India, the government agencies is applying the same protocol, and they have their own method for organic certification. But definitely, we need to get organic certification if we want to sell in a good market in a good price.
Okay. And how do organic farming techniques contribute to conservation of natural resources in mango and cashew cultivation?
Yes, that's I explain
Okay, I
already, but
think you
I
have already answered this. Yeah, what are the economic benefits associated with organic mango and cashew farming compared to conventional methods?
compared to conventional method, very good question. In conventional method, the plant life of matlab plant production life, the productive life of plant in conventional method, it's in example 25 years. If we do organic farming in organic way, the plant production life will raise up to 10 to 15 years. So main economical benefit is to get 10 to 15 years periodically income. That is the main economical benefit, because the plant life and plant health will in good condition. So that's why the plant will produce more and more years. So in conventional method, plant will get production up to 25 years. In organic way, the plant will give production up to 50 years. This is the main difference.
Okay. And Could you explain the role of community involvement and knowledge sharing in promoting organic farming and cashew farming practices?
Committee, which committee?
Committee, the farmer committee, or the general community.
Okay. Community, the best is like our government is getting very good awareness program. They are doing awareness program. So many communities are there, or so many NGOs are there, so many agencies are there. They are doing very good work in mango farming and cashew farming. Few associations are doing organic farming, specifically organic farming. They are doing market business. They are working for market, working for farmers, working for available. It's available on farm like machineries, ripening conditions, storages, transportation facility. So many agencies also, so many communities also, so many associations also are working for mango and for cashew. There are two associations are broadly working like overall mango growers association and cashew growers association. So definitely they are working very good, and government is involved in every aspect for these two crops, like agriculture information agency or foundation also doing the same thing, because they are awareing people to get involved in way which naturally or organically we can do better for better India, better for our life, better for food. Because the food, if food get into poison or poison get into food, so will be difficult for next generations. So we need to think, or we need to activate, we need to take action right now. So these are all communities and foundations and NGOs and government policies are doing the same thing. They are started doing association for every fruits crop. And mango and cashew are the best cash crop in Indian regions. So they are definitely working, and they are looking for market also right now. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Pradyuman, I don't see any more questions from participants. So now we have come to end of question round. On behalf of agricultureinformation.com, we'd like to thank you for the detailed talk and answering all the questions in detail. And we also like to thank all the participants for joining this meeting. The meeting will now be closed.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And
Thank you
for
very
your
much.
for your information, I've shared your contact email and address, contact number and email address with our participants.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
sure.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very
Thank
much. Thank you to all. Thanks
You're
a lot.
most welcome.